Hi, good morning. My name is Nidhi Marathi. I am a student of Art of English. I want to have a word with you. Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you have pen?
Yes, I have.
How many pen do you have?
I have 2 pens.
How much is your pen?
I have question please.
Would you mind giving me your pen?
Okay, sir.
Where do you come from?
I come from Canada.
Where does your mother come from?
My mother comes from Delhi.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 30 years old.
How old is your father?
My father is 60 years old.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from Noida.
Do I need to go to Khurja?
Yes, I need to go to Khurja.
Do I need to go to Bulandshahr?
Yes, I need to go to Bulandshahr.
How far is it to Noida from here? How far is it to Bulandshahr from here? Is your grandmother not able to walk?
Yes, my grandfather is not able to walk.
Is your grandfather not able to jump?
Yes, my grandfather is not able to jump.
How old is this t-shirt?
My t-shirt is 5 years old.
Where did you purchase this t-shirt from?
I purchased this t-shirt from Khurja.
Did you purchase this t-shirt from Khurja?
Yes, I purchased this t-shirt from Khurja.
Is this the same notebook that you purchased from Bulandshahr?
Yes, it is the same notebook that I purchased from Bulandshahr.
Is this the same t-shirt that you purchased from Khurja?
Yes, the same t-shirt that I purchased from Khurja.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What is your name?
My name is Shamansi.
You may have seen my home.
Yes, I have seen my home.
You must have seen my school.
Yes, I have seen my school.
You must have seen my brother.
Yes, I have seen my brother.
Do you have to play?
Yes, I have to play.
Do you have to cook the food?
Yes, I have to cook the food.
Does your father have to go to school?
Yes, my father has to go to school.
Does your brother have to cook the food?
Yes, my brother has to cook the food.
Do you know Bharat?
Yes, I know Bharat.
How is Bharat related to you?
Bharat is my brother.
How is Shika related to you?
Sika is my sister.
Are you on a speaking term with Riya?
Yes, I am with Riya.
Is Nanu longing for laptop?
Yes, I am with laptop.
Would you mind giving me your pen?
Yes, I am.
Would you mind giving me your t-shirt?
My teacher.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from Noida.
Do you keep on reading?
Yes, I keep on reading.
Do you keep on jumping?
Yes, I keep on jumping.
Can you run?
Yes, I can run.
Can you play?
Yes, I can play.
Can Mamta play?
Yes, Mother can.
How is Mamta related to you?
Yes, sister.
How is Sakshi related to you?
She is my sister.
Do you keep on reading?
Yes, I keep on reading.
Who cooks the food?
I cook the food.
Who runs?
I run.
Can you get my phone repaired?
Yes, I can get the phone repaired.
Can you get my TV repaired?
I can get your TV repaired.
When will you get my TV repaired?
I can get your TV repaired.
When will you get my laptop repaired?
I can get your laptop repaired on Sunday.
Whose laptop is this?
This is my laptop.
Whose car is this?
This is my car.
Do you keep on reading?
Yes, I keep on reading.
Do you know how to cook the food?
Yes, I have to cook the food.
Does your father know how to drive the car?
Yes, I have to.
May I come in?
Yes, I have.
May I sit here?
Yes, I have.
May I go there?
Yes, I have.
Do you have more pens than books?
Yes, I have.
Do you have more t-shirt than cycle?
Yes, I have.
Is this pen your choice?
Yes, this is my choice.
Is this notebook your choice?
Yes, this is my choice.
Where did you purchase this notebook from?
I purchased this notebook from Noida.
Did you purchase this notebook from Noida?
Yes, I purchased this notebook from Noida.
Are you in the habit of running?
Yes, I am in the habit of running.
Are you in the habit of taking tea?
Yes, I am in the habit of taking a tea.
Was there nothing but flowers?
Yes, I am in the habit of water.
Was there nothing but water?
Yes, there was nothing but water.
Would you have helped me?
Yes, I have helped you.
Would you have come to my home?
Yes, I have helped my mom.
Is your intention to go to Delhi?
Yes, I intend to go to Delhi.
Is your intention to go to Khurja?
Yes, I intend to go to Delhi.
How far is it to Delhi from here?
It is from here.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Is your intention to go to Noida?
Yes, my intention is to go to Noida.
Are you in the habit of running?
Yes, I am in the habit of running.
Are you in the habit of taking tea?
Yes, I am in the habit of taking a tea.
Are you in the habit of running?
Yes, I am in the habit of running.
Is this TV your choice?
Yes, this is your choice.
Should I play?
Yes, you play.
Should I cook the food?
Yes, I cook the food.
What do you do in the morning?
I have my morning.
What do you have to do in the morning?
I have played in the morning.
Have you ever seen Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen that.
Have you ever eaten pizza?
Yes, I have eaten pizza.
Is this the same t-shirt that you purchased from Khurja?
Yes, this is the t-shirt that I purchased from.
Is this the same pen that you purchased from Noida?
Yes, this is the pen that I purchased from Noida.
It is you who come from Noida? What will you eat?
I will eat pizza.
What will Sagar eat?
Sagar eat pizza.
What will Himanshu eat?
Mansu eat pizza.
What do you do?
I play.
What do you do?
I did.
Have you ever seen Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have seen Taj Mahal.
Have you ever eaten pizza?
Yes, I have eaten pizza.
Will I have to dance?
Yes, we have to dance.
Do you want me to go to Khurja?
Yes, I want to go to Khurja.
Do you want me to go to Noida?
Yes, I want to go to Noida.
Did you used to eat mango?
Yes, I used to eat mango.
Did you used to eat papaya?
Yes, I used to eat papaya.
What did your father used to eat?
I used to eat mango.
Could I have eaten the food?
Yes, I have eaten the food.
Could I have cooked the food?
Yes, I have cooked the food.
In which place do you live?
I live at Saneto.
In which school does Nidhi read?
Did you read at primary school?
Is your grandmother not able to walk?
Yes, my grandfather not able.
Can you run?
Yes, I can run.
Whose pen is this?
This is my pen.
Whose cycle is this?
This is my cycle.
How old is this cycle?
My cycle is 5 years old.
How much is your cycle?
My cycle is 1,000.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sagar Suryavanshi. I want to have a word with you. Do you have pen?
Yes, I pen.
How many pens do you have?
I have 2 pens.
How much is your pen?
My pen goes 70.
Are you in the habit of running?
Yes, I am in the habit of running.
Are you in the habit of taking the tea?
Yes, I am in the habit of drinking.
Are you on speaking terms with Sagar?
Yes, I am with Sagar.
Are you on speaking terms with Bhura?
Yes, I am with Pura.
How is Bhura related to you?
Pura is my brother.
How is Sagar related to you?
Sagar is my brother.
Where do you come from?
I come from Noida.
Where does Bhura come from?
Pura comes from Noida.
Where do you live?
I live at Saneto.
Where does Bhura live?
I live at Saneto.
In which village do you live?
I live at Saneto.
In which village does Nidhi live?
We live at Saneto.
How many pens are there in your home?
There are 10 pens in my home.
What is there in your village?
There are 30 trees in my place.
How many trees are there in your village?
There are 30 trees in my place.
Are there 30 trees in your village?
Yes, there are 30 trees in my place.
Are you on speaking terms with Sagar?
Yes, I am with Sagar.
Do you eat mango?
Yes, eat mango.
Does he eat mango?
Yes, eat mango.
Should I play?
Yes, you play.
You should play.
Yes, I play.
In which village do you live?
I live at Saneto.
Do you have as many pens as Sagar?
Yes, I have at Sagar.
Do you have as many pens as Vishnu?
Yes, I have at Sagar. Can you read?
Can Vishnu read?
Yes, you read.
Should I play?
Yes, I play.
You should play.
I should play.
Can you get my cycle repair? Can you get my phone repair?
Yes, I shall get your phone repair.
When will you get my phone repair?
I shall get your phone repair on Sunday.
Get my cycle repair?
Okay, I shall get your phone repair.
Get my phone repair?
Okay, I shall get your phone repair.
Please get me a pen.
Okay, I shall get repair.
Please get me a phone.
Okay, I shall get your phone.
Where is your notebook?
My notebook is here.
Where is your home?
My home is in Saneto.
Where is Saneta?
Saneto is 12 kilometers from Khurja.
How far is it to Khurja from here?
12 kilometers from here.
Where do you live?
I live at Saneto.
How many fans are there in your home?
There are 10 friends in my home.
Is your intention to eat mango?
Yes, my intention to eat mango.
Is your intention to purchase a car?
Yes, my intention to purchase a car.
Is he longing for banana?
Yes, he is longing for banana.
Is he longing for water?
Yes, he is longing for water.
Is he hankering after sweet?
Yes, he is hungry after sweet.
Is he hankering after water?
Yes, he is hungry after water.
How many fans are there in your home?
There are 10 friends in my home.
Are you in the habit of running?
Yes, I am in the honey.
Are you on speaking terms with Sagar?
Yes, I am speaking from Saga.
In which village do you live?
I live at Saneto.
How far is it to Khurja from here? Do you come from Noida?
Yes, I come from Noida.
Where have you come from?
I come from Noida.
Has your father come from his village?
Yes, my father comes from my place.
Has your father been a player?
Yes, my father has been here.
What do you want to be?
I want to be here.
What does Sagar want to be?
I want to be here.
Do I need to go to Khurja?
Yes, I want to go to
How many pens did you have?
I have 2 pens.
Did you have pen?
Yes, I have.
How far is it to Khurja from here? How are you? How old is your t-shirt?
My t-shirt is 2 years old.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 35 years old.
Where is your mother?
My mother at home.
Which pen do you have?
I have 2 pens.
Which bike do you have?
I have white.
Do you know how to read?
Yes, I know how to read.
Does your father know how to read?
Yes, my father knows how to read.
Do you know Bhura?
Yes, I know Bhura.
Do you keep on reading?
Yes, I keep on reading.
Does Bhura keep on reading?
Yes, I keep on reading.
Do you go?
Yes, I go.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
Does Sagar play?
Yes, I play.
Do you have to play?
Yes, I have to play.
Do you have to go?
Yes, I have to go.
Do you keep on jumping?
Yes, I keep on jumping.
Do you keep on laughing?
Yes, I keep on laughing.
Who runs?
I dance.
Who plays?
I play.
Who makes you laugh?
Ishika makes me laugh.
Who makes you jump?
Diya makes me laugh.
Is your intention to eat mango?
Yes, my intention to eat mango.
Is this the same t-shirt that you purchased from Noida?
Yes, this is the same t-shirt that I purchased from Noida.
Is this the same pen that you purchased from Delhi?
Yes, this is the same pen that I purchased from Delhi.
How far is it to Delhi from here?
Delhi is very close to home.
Would you have helped me?
Yes, I will help you.
Would you have eaten the food?
Yes, I will help you.
Where do you come from?
I come from Noida.
Tell me in case you need banana.
Okay, I shall tell you.
Do you know Sagar?
Yes, Sagar.
Does Sagar know how to read?
Yes, I know how to read.
Can you run?
Yes, I can.
What is this?
This is my pen.
What is that?
That is my pen.
How far is it to Khurja from here? Which pen do you have? What is your name? What does Sagar name? What does he name? Thank you.